Good evening, sir. It's 9:05 p.m. I am online. Please tell me how may I help you?
What can you do for me, Jarvis?
Anything what you want.
Open Facebook, Jarvis.
Okay, sir. Wait a second. Opening Facebook. Your command has been completed, sir.
Take a screenshot, Jarvis.
Please, sir. Hold the screen for few seconds. I am taking screenshot. I am done, sir. The screenshot is saved in our main folder. Your command has been completed, sir.
Where I am, Jarvis?
Wait, sir. Let me check. Sir, I am not sure, but I think we are in Mumbai city of India country.
What's the time right now, Jarvis?
The current time is 09:06 p.m.
Okay, thank you, Jarvis, for your service. Go to sleep.
It's my pleasure, sir.